Hey Chris, this is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. Got off the phone with Marty, and she gave me your email to where I could send this video over to you. And so just wanted to talk to you about three things that could directly impact you and your business today. So usually when I do this, a lot of the people that I end up partnering with usually sit on the side and say, Tyler, why are you doing this and what's in it for you? But I found out that by giving business owners this free attack plan on things that they can actually do to impact their business has, usually led them to say, you know what, Tyler, I like you. Why don't you go ahead and do this for me? So if by the end of this you like what you heard, you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve, then just give me a call and we can discuss how we can partner together. Or if you just want to take this information and implement it into your digital marketing strategy, then by all means, please go ahead and do so. So go ahead and jumping off. Wanted to first talk to you about content. And in order to be optimized in Google's eyes, you need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page. And so I did a word count on you guys, and you guys have only 73 words. So you got a lot of room there to get to that 1,500 mark. And going and looking at your number one competition, Change Your Bathroom. And I did a word count on them as well, and they have 410 words. So they're beating you there, but they are still very easily beatable with that content. So again, want to have at least 1,500 words on that front page to be optimized by Google. So next, want to talk to you about the map pack. And you're probably asking yourself, how do you get ranked in the map pack? And what the map pack usually consists of is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. So the NAP, name, address, and phone number. And so how you get ranked in the map pack is by increasing your citations. And so I like to use a tool here called Whitespark. And we see, I did a search here, bathroom remodel Atlanta, which is also bringing in 260 searches per month. And you guys are right here at number 5 with 45 citations. So your number one competitor only has 16. And then these are ads, so they don't necessarily count because they're paying for those positions. But your number one competition has only 16 citations, so you're definitely beating them. But you want to be beating them by at least 100 to 200 citations in order to just be, beating them by landslide. And so what I like about Whitespark is that you can click here on View Sources, and it'll list out all of the sources that each one of your competitors is using, and you can basically take that for yourself and just go in and put your NAP, your name of your business, your address, and your phone number into each one of these citations and just steal those for yourself. So again, want to have at least 100 to 200 more than your competition. And so last but definitely not least, want to talk to you about backlinks. And we see that your company is not here in the top listings on Google, and that's definitely where you want to be. And so we like to call backlinks link juice. And simply put, how it works is site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little more tricky than that because you want to have relevant sites pointing back to your website. So seeing that you guys are bathroom remodelers, you need to have sites that are associated with bathroom and remodeling rather than, having like a Pizza Hut linking back to you because you guys aren't really slinging pizzas for a living. So I like to use a tool here called Ahrefs, and I've put you guys' website in, and this shows how many backlinks you guys have. So you have 59 right now, and so that's a little bit of link juice, but definitely want to have at least 200 to 300 more than your competition. So your number one competition here, Change Your Bathroom, has 105,000 backlinks. So a lot of link juice there, but still definitely beatable. Just need proper SEO tactics. And so in closing, we went over content. You guys need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page. Citations, 100 to 200 more than your competition. and backlinks, at least 200 to 300 more than your number one competition in order to be beating them out. So you can take all this information and implement it into your digital marketing strategy, or if you want to discuss how we could partner together and you take the more efficient route, save yourself some time, then by all means please give me a call. My number is 678-661-5695, or you could shoot me over an email at upliftatlantaseo@gmail.com. But again, my number is 678-661-5695, and my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. Looking forward to hearing from you. Hope you have a good one. Thanks.